Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we have given the acceleration versus time graph and we have to find the average acceleration for first 20 seconds. As we know that average acceleration is given by that is A is equal to this is change in velocity upon time taken. So we can say that and we know that change in velocity is given by that is equals to area of acceleration versus time diagram. So we have to find the area, so we can say that the this is equals to area of OABE. So this will comes out to be 600. So we can say that our average acceleration is that is equals to 600 upon the time taken, which is 20 second. So we can say that this will comes out to be 30 meter per second square. So this is our answer, and for that option C is the correct choice. Thank you.